It's November 19th, day 29. I'm gonna leave Dubrovnik and go to Kotor, Montenegro. I'm getting ready and I'm actually gonna leave some of my stuff at this hostel. They said I could. Looks like a dead body. But it's not, it's just camping stuff. I just got to the city of Kotor and I'm gonna walk around. I really don't like leaving my bike with all this stuff, but I don't really have a choice. So here's the city. So lunch today on the road is my little loaf of bread and this vegetable paste and an orange because I'm too paranoid to just leave my bike with all my stuff here and eat at a restaurant. So maybe I'll do that for dinner, but not here. I saw a scooter splitting lanes like this, so I'm just gonna do it. There's like a bit of traffic right now. Narrow road for two vehicles, so taking it slow. And there's not really a barricade the entire way. Isn't it pretty? And it's either going back down the way I came or going through this way, and I'm just gonna literally ride around the entire mountain. Creepy. It's like a cave. And my fingers are frozen. There are no street lights, no light poles, just my headlight, and I can only see 75, 100 feet in front of me. It's pretty damn cold in this mountain. But I am heading to Budva, and I should be there within an hour. Hairpin turn. I mean, you see the lights from the city right there, so it's just getting down this really cold mountain at night. So much warmer down here. Like, it's probably only like 45 degrees, but it's so much warmer. To hide my bike in this little parking lot corner. I tried to get a ticket, but nothing came out, like a little parking ticket. Time to carry these bags. And I have to carry my big ass bags and take a break every like 100 steps. And then I have to carry this all the way back. It's okay. Whatever it takes. Do I go in? I made it to my hostel and territory fight. Hi! Oh, stray kitty! Stray kitty! I'm gonna forage for food. It's like 9 p.m. Oh, they're shy.